So where am I right now? I'm still working on my trading. I'm definitely have gotten a lot better. I've figured out what works for me. And now it's just a matter of staying disciplined and sticking to my rules. And that's a lot easier said than done. And I've been working on that. And I have moments of clarity where things are going just so well. And then I have moments where I just lapse discipline and fall back and things aren't going well. And those days suck. I've been doing this on my own and the reserves are slowly dwindling away. And I'm actually on the pursuit of looking for a place to work. So that way I can do this without stress. And I've gotten to a point, thankfully, that since I've been doing it for so long and working out kinks, that I have found consistency. But now I'm not in a rush. And the consistency I have found means consistency in what works. But it doesn't mean I am always consistent. And that's a real struggle for me. Luckily, I do have a skill set that I worked over time in sales and running teams and training people that hopefully I can find a place that I can call home and be able to work and have that that steady income, because that's very important. It's huge. And I think that will help me a lot. And not only that, but trading, depending on your strategy, for me, I can spend maybe 30 minutes max throughout the entire day and know what I need to do and kind of put on autopilot. But at the beginning, it wasn't like that. It took a lot of work to get to that point. So I have seen improvement, but, it does, it's frustrating because you want to be at a certain point and you work really hard to get there. And it can be frustrating, and it really is. So this is the first episode of my show that I want to start sharing my journey of how I'm trading and how I'm not perfect. But I have passion and I want to continue to grow in this field. And so this is what I want to do. And so hopefully you can learn something from my experiences. And don't get me wrong, I'm going to share from the beginning of where I started, but I don't want to make these episodes super long. So if you're interested in hearing about this, definitely subscribe and put a comment. And I look forward to sharing my journey with you all.